Welcome to Daybreak. I'm Emily Leonard.
And I'm Brett Thomas. Storm Team 8 is forecasting stronger storms for later on today. Matt's tracking them pretty closely. We'll hear from him coming up in just a few minutes.
But first, let's go to Terry in the tracking center with more on the morning showers. Good morning, Terry.
Good morning. Yeah, morning showers, morning drizzle, and morning dense fog. In fact, as we check out the visibility scene in downtown Grand Rapids, you'll definitely see that fog has continued to thicken up. I would expect the potential for some slowdowns for the morning commute. And if you're traveling by air, Grand Rapids, the Ford International Airport now reporting visibility at 1/4 of a mile. Kalamazoo down to 3/4 of a mile, half-mile visibility in Ionia, 1/4 of a mile visibility now in Lansing, half-mile visibility in Holland and Jackson. So the bottom line here, we will be looking at, again, some dense fog developing across West Michigan and continuing to really be a big part of the weather story for the morning commute. As we look at a dense fog advisory that was now recently just issued by the National Weather Service, this will be in effect most likely until 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock this morning. Allegan, Ottawa, Kent, Barry counties over toward the Lansing area. So bottom line, if you're traveling in that direction this morning, certainly keep that in mind. Out at the bus stop, take along those umbrellas as well, as we do have showers and thunderstorms that will be developing here in West Michigan and that will continue to impact us as we head through the tail end of the day. In fact, meteorologist Matt Kirkwood tracking that part of the weather story. Matt.
Yeah, Terry, it looks like the fog's going to give way to some showers and some thunderstorms today. Well, we've heard about that system plaguing the south central plains with all the severe weather. Finally, that system is lifting into the Great Lakes, and we'll have to wait for a cold front to move in later on this afternoon. As it does, we'll have the chance of severe weather. This area of rain off to our south and west, large batch of showers moving through Illinois. That's going to track to the north and likely reach the Grand Rapids area sometime right around 11 to 11:30 time frame as it looks right now. But this will also fill in, and we'll likely see a line of some strong thunderstorms develop out ahead of that cold front. In terms of the slight risk area, we have not had much in the way of severe weather so far this season. Just 11 reports here across actually all of Michigan, but that could change later on today. Slight risk area just east of Grand Rapids to just west of Kalamazoo and points to the east. That will be the target zone for the time frame. It looks like this afternoon from about early afternoon, 1 o'clock into the early evening time frame. Again, the squall line likely developing and moving from west to east. Main threat, straight line wind, and also secondary threat, especially well southeast of Grand Rapids, Jackson and Battle Creek area towards Kalamazoo, could be an isolated tornado. Cooler weather moves in tomorrow and also drier. Finally, some sun returning. Terry's going to have more on that coming up in about 5 minutes.